String literals. String literals in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. Single or double quotes are okay. Here, let's see welcome to Python. We have display output welcome to Python. Let's try another string namaste. Select namaste and print namaste. And similarly, you can also use print function, print of namaste. Namaste. Okay. How about checking for third string here? What is an error? See here. Here it's invalid syntax because here it starts with single quotes and ending with again single quote without a proper format. How about rechanging the format? Let's say remove this and say Control Enter. Now it is a proper string. So in our first case we used double quotes, in second case we have used single quotes, and in third case we have used single quote. Assigning strings to a variable is done with variable name followed by equal sign and the string. In this case, let's try our first string. String 1 is basically it's a wonderful day. Select and check for your output string 1. It's a wonderful day. Looking for multi-line strings, you can assign a multi-line string to variable by using 3 quotes. Like here, line 1, 2 and 3 and 4, I have multiple lines. I'm assigning to a variable called a. In this, I'm mentioning 3 double quotes instead of single and double quotes. Now print a. Here is my variable a. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on strings. For string 1, I want to check the upper part of it. Upper method. Check it's a wonderful day. That means all the characters in string 1 are changed to capital letters. How about lower characters? If same thing I want to convert into lower characters, I will use lower method. String 1 dot lower method. It gives all the characters in lower characters. How about checking for string again, and I'm assigning it to s. It's a wonderful day where I'm retrieving value for s. If I want to split the values, I would be using s dot of split method. Here I can split the words. It's a wonderful day! Exclamatory, separated by all the commas. How if I would like to only fetch one value, okay, one character in the word, and I would be using again split of w. Now if you see, you will be able to remove w from wonderful. How about if you want to split a from this, it's a wonderful day. Split of a. It's gone. How about now making your string back, it's a wonderful day. S is equal to wonderful day. If I want to split it again, s dot split. It's a wonderful day. Here I want to use 10 multiplied of tip. Nothing but 10 times multiplied of tip. It will repeat 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So repeating a word tip 10 times. Similarly, perform here, repeating ha 3 times and exclamatory 2 times. Sum up together. An amazing string techniques. String length. Let's see string length here. Length of my top. 12 times of my top would fetch me length of my string, that is 36. How about if I would like to find the length of two words boat and house multiplied by 12 times? Okay, here is something output. And how about length of margarita? See, it's 9 characters. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. String slicing. We can grab entire subsection of string with slice notation. How about, let's see, a word assigned a world to word. Fetching the values of word is world, and in Python the indentation starts from 0. So if I would like to know or fetch the value of w, I would be using 0 in square brackets. Word of 0 will give me w. How about if I would like to go fetch o, then I have to use word of 1. Similarly, if I would like to check out for r, I would see 2. Returning back. In Python, if I would like to get a value from in reverse order, that is d, it's called negative indexing, and we have to mention -1, and I would be able to fetch the value d. That's in river order indexing. If I want to fetch the value of L, I would be able to show it through -2, and I would be able to fetch L. That's what we discussed in reverse indexing. Here the characters W, O, R, L, D. If you want to get the characters -3, that is R, you have to start in the reverse order -3. And similarly is case with -2 for L, and similarly is case with D, -1. And similar is case with positioning of 0, that is W. How about you want to fetch another W, same W, also you can do by -5 in reverse order. If you want to access elements in Python, you can assign through a variable Python. Here in case what I have data science, and to access 0, it will fetch me D, the first in variable Python. How about if I want to access from variables 1 to 4, I will have DATA, that's 0 to ending before 4. How about 2 to 4? Similarly, T and A. Checking for Python 5 on the column of on the second way. Check for this one. Signs. It shows you all the values after character 5. In this case, all the characters before 4. How about start and end by incrementing 2 values here? Okay. How about start and end by incrementing third value? Here it starts with 0, ending before 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And here it checks out for every second element, that is D and T. So followed by here you have a space. So here you fetch values D and T. Start and end with 3 incrementing values. So before 8 you will find in data science DAC. Strings are arrays. Square brackets can be used to access elements of the string. Here a variable A having hello world as a string. To print the positioning of 1, okay, we use print of A. Here we have E, because the indexing starts with 0, 1. So in the position of 1 we have E. How about checking for 0? You get H, because the position in Python starts with H. String concatenation, here we have three variables where A is equal to word hello, B is equal to word world, and C is equal to hello plus world. So print C, C is equal to A plus B gives you hello world. How about adding a space in here now, hello world? Here we can have a string concatenation. We can add up, we can have A is equal to hello, B is equal to word, here C is equal to A plus of double quotes where you are giving space plus B. So here it will print hello world with space. String format, age is equal to 36, the variable age contains 36, whereas variable text contains my name is Alex, I am of double quotes, okay, plus age. So my name Alex, I am is in double quotes, whereas plus assigned with age. Here when I print value, I would be retrieving a value, my name is Alex, I am 36. Okay, what is the error here? Here I can see not into string. So here you cannot perform integer to a string. So what is an workaround? I can go and check in this way. Age equal to 36, text is equal to my name is Alex and I am flower branches. Okay, here you can print of text which is my name is Alex and I am, okay, that would print this, and format to age. That means we are transforming it, and transforming the age, here you'll get my name is Alex and I'm 36. So basically here age, which is number data type or integer data type, okay, we are converting into text by using format method. So now this will print my name is Alex and I'm 36. How about changing the value for age? Here let's say 34. My name is Alex and I'm 34. How about say 21? My name is Tina and I'm 21. Let's look into escape character. Okay, to insert characters that illegal in string, use an escape character. An escape character is a backslash followed by a character you want to insert. Here let's take a variable text. Okay, let me change it into E. We are the so-called Bahubali from the north. Just see here double quotes of a string and within a string. Okay, let's try to execute now. You get invalid syntax. This is because this is not right way. Still, what is the way? If you want to insert Bahubali, okay, within a string, the right way is to insert a backslash. A backslash will help you retrieve your comments. My name is, okay. The error is due to because the strings are not mutable. That is the reason you are unable to insert new text into this. How about changing into capital E here? Text is equal to VR, so-called Bahubali from the north. And check out this one, capital E, TEXT. So we are so-called Bahubali from the south. Print again text. So we get we are the so-called Bahubali from the south. How about checking here? So here again observe it's backslash. We'll check with another case. Here print, this is new line, backslash n. Notice how this prints. So it's our next line. This is a new line. Notice how this prints. Checking out for backslash t. Notice how this prints. this is a tab and there is a tab. Okay, so the space is the tab space. This is what we are able to retrieve. And just let's check the last one. Notice how they both follow now. The general escape character of backslash. What is this? So backslash, it automatically terminates the other. Check again. That's